Dragon Quest VII. Fragments of the Forgotten Past was first released in 2000 and has remained a beloved classic among RPG fans for over 2 decades. Now, Square Enix is bringing it back, completely reimagined. Dragon Quest VII. Reimagined is not just a remaster, it's a full-scale reimagining. From the story and characters to its visual design, Square Enix has rebuilt the game from the ground up for modern audiences. The original game is remembered fondly for its coming-of-age story and the depth of its world. Producer Takeshi Ichikawa explains that the game's 25th anniversary presented the perfect opportunity to reintroduce its rich storytelling and unique atmosphere to a new generation of players. The original game is remembered fondly for its coming-of-age story and the depth of its world. Reimagining it allowed the team to retain that charm while making the game more approachable and accessible to both returning players and newcomers. One of the most striking changes is the new handcrafted visual style. Characters were created as physical dolls and then scanned into the game, giving them a tactile, lifelike appearance. Meanwhile, the environments have been redesigned to resemble dioramas, letting players feel like they're watching the story unfold right before their eyes. This also streamlines travel and exploration, making the world feel both expansive and manageable. The team streamlined the original story, removing subplots that didn't directly affect the main narrative while introducing new scenarios to deepen the story experience. This restructured narrative keeps the essence of the original game, but offers fresh surprises even for veteran players. Dragon Quest VII. Reimagined emphasizes both pacing and immersion, making it more engaging for modern audiences. The game also introduces new gameplay mechanics. The moonlighting system allows characters to equip 2 vocations at once, retaining mastered abilities while leveling a new one. Players can now experiment with combinations and strategies more freely. Quality of life improvements include auto-battle and battle speed adjustments, making routine encounters faster while keeping boss fights strategic and deliberate. Returning fans will notice changes in story order, brand new scenarios, and reimagined character development. Even familiar towns and quests feel fresh, while newcomers can enjoy the game as a standalone adventure in the Dragon Quest series. The game strikes a balance between nostalgia and innovation, making it exciting for old fans and inviting for first-time players. Dragon Quest VII. Reimagined will release on Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Switch 2, PS5, Xbox Series X Vertical Bar S, and PC via Steam and the Microsoft Store on February 5, 2026. Pre-order bonuses include a Dragon Quest A8 costume for the protagonist, 3 Seeds of Proficiency, and digital deluxe and collector's editions with extra DLC, early access, and collectible items like a Smile Slime plush. Dragon Quest VII. Reimagined is more than a remake. It's a reimagined adventure, combining nostalgia, bold visuals, and modern gameplay improvements. Whether you're a longtime fan or a newcomer, it promises an unforgettable RPG experience. Follow us for more Dragon Quest updates, and get ready to embark on a new adventure in a beautifully reimagined world.